The Chrysler Group continued building momentum towards securing the success of its U.S. facilities on Tuesday with the announcement of a $72 million investment in its Toledo machining plant. The news means the Perrysburg, Ohio facility will see installation of new equipment and special tooling beginning later this year to produce new generation front-wheel and rear-wheel drive torque converters and steering columns. 640 jobs at the plant will also be retained. The announcement coincided with a visit to Auburn Hills from Ohio Governor John Kasich, who discussed the investment plan with Chrysler Group and UAW officials.
We're really excited about it. We're glad to have played a part in terms of showing our commitment to the company. Look, we're very excited about what's happening at Chrysler. Clearly, we're on the move, and Ohio's been a good partner in the past. We want to be an even better partner in the future. And look, it's all about jobs. And my administration is committed to working hand in glove with the union, with the management, to make sure that Chrysler has a win-win-win in Ohio. And we're on the right track right now, and I'm thrilled.
Scott Garberding, Chrysler Group Senior Vice President and Head of Manufacturing, underscored the importance of the investment in keeping the company on the right track toward future success.
It's a tremendous show of confidence on our part in Toledo Machining and in our terrific workforce there. And we're essentially signing up for at least 640 jobs in the facility going forward. They're making two very, very high-tech torque converters that are a big piece of our fuel economy strategy at Chrysler. We can't move forward without them, and certainly we're counting very much on our employees there. We're entrusting them with $72 million. And we have very high expectations, but we're excited about what they can do.
Actually, it's a win-win not only for the UAW, but for the citizens of Perrysburg, Ohio, and then the United States as a whole, because, our products go all across the United States. And it says, it speaks loud in volumes that, Chrysler is here trying to create jobs, especially in this economy. And we're dedicated to building, the world's greatest products. And Perrysburg is just, the Toledo machining plant is just an extension of what we're all trying to do here together. And I think it's just an awesome experience for us at this point in time, and for Chrysler to continue to invest, not only in its facilities, but its workers.
Since June of 2009, the company has invested more than $3.2 billion in its U.S. facilities and added 2,000 hourly jobs. Reporting for Chrysler Electronic Communications, I'm Betty Carrier Newman.